All right, good afternoon. Today we are continuing with our converting between fractions and decimals and percentages. Today we are doing CO22. I can convert a percentage to a decimal. So I want you to recall how to convert that decimal to the percentage. It was not CO49. We have changed some of our COs. We just worked on putting decimals to percentages. Because a decimal written to the hundredths place represents a value out of 100, it also represents a percentage. Review converting from a decimal to a percentage with the following values. So who can tell me what 45 hundredths would look like as a percentage? Izzy? 45%. Yeah, it would be 45%. What about 22 hundredths, Paul? 22%. How about 4/10ths? Garrison? 40%. 40%. How about 1 and 36 hundredths? Ethan? 136%. What about 18 hundredths? Naomi? 18%. And what about 6 hundredths? Leah? 6%. Okay, so we've got that. You guys did really well with that. So now we're going to go the other way, from a percentage to a decimal. A percentage out of 100 is equivalent to a decimal up to the hundredths place. For example, 59% literally means 59 out of 100, or 59 hundredths, or 0.59, 59 hundredths. Another example, 110% literally means 110 out of 100, or 110 hundredths, or 1 and 10 hundredths. So we want to work on converting each percentage to a decimal. So let's scroll up. Yep. All right, so we convert each percentage to a decimal. 33%. What would that look like as a decimal? Joseph.
Wait, what?
33%. How would I write that?
0.33.
0.33, because that is our hundredths place, so we read it as 33 hundredths, and we know 33 hundredths is 33%. So let's take a look at the one underneath it. 180%. How would that look like as a decimal? Garrison?
1.8.
So we know anything over that 100 is going to be the whole number. So we have one whole number, and then we have our 80%, because we took that 1 off. So you said 1.8, or you could do 1.80. Either way would be fine. So you could just have it as 1.8, 1 and 8/10ths. I would be okay with 1 and 80 hundredths, because they both have the same value to them. A value can be written as a decimal, fraction, or percentage. Write the other two forms of each value listed below. Write the fractions in simplest form. So this is going back and it's reviewing what we've been working on in these last few objectives. Because you need to always remember how to do stuff that we just worked on. It'll help you when we get to our test. So whatever you see listed, write the other two forms. Always, always, always simplify. Remember, that doesn't mean go from improper to proper, but it means to divide it down as much as you can. So simplify, simplify, simplify. And it is just the one binder page today. So with that, we are going to say goodbye to our friends at home and wish them a good day.